In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the YouTube URL on your phone. And for this, we can't do it in the YouTube app, but we have to do it in your browser. So yeah, let's search for YouTube on the browser, just like this. And once you're here on youtube.com, make sure to request the desktop website, or else this won't work. And yeah, so now that we have requested the desktop website, this basically looks the same as your laptop or PC. And we just want to click on our profile picture and then click on the settings. Once you're here, you want to click on channel status and features, just like this. And make sure, first of all, that you are verified. Right here, you can verify by connecting your phone number to your account, and you need to have at least 100 subscribers, or else this won't work. And yeah, right here it says custom URL, and I'm currently ineligible. But for you, if you have at least 100 subscribers and you are verified, this will say eligible. And then you can click on it, and it's very straightforward. It will it will say something like claim your custom URL, and just click on that, and that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Have a good day.